캐데몬 작곡자 SM 10년 연습생 이제의 꿈이 이루어졌다.
Young EJ, or tell them anything, what would you say?
Yeah. Oh God. When you ask me that, I get so emotional. In Korean, it's like 수고했어, 잘했어, and
What does it mean to be considered for this to you?
oh my God. I have to learn. I should learn more adjectives. Like insane, crazy, like surreal. It's just like, oh my God. It's like serious.